Accidents happen, let's hope it's our last crash and last ditch. Got BMW on the ramp. As you can see, it has a lot of dirt taken over from the ditch. It doesn't look anything nice. Good thing, nobody of us got hurt. So, let's see what do we have under the hood. How to open BMWs, I forgot. Yo, look at this crap. What the fuck? How is this possible? What? I don't understand. I wonder what we will have underneath. Shit. I hope nothing from the engine got damaged. Because this thingy come from the downside. Awful, looks awful. We have an Arnie over here. Grass growing in the BMW. This is like, in an aquarium. Be a channel in the aquarium. Look at the rear wheels. Somebody was playing sandcastles with the BMW. It's just been only a few days for the car to be crashed. In the rear, we got a mold growing. It doesn't look or smell something nice. Seat and roof airbags have been deployed. So basically we want to get this car running. We need to check if the engine is working. Also want to check how does it sound without exhaust, because we never tried. And the N54 should be sounding good. So Ziggy is now replacing the fuse back on. So we would be able to start it, because when the airbags deploy, the fuse goes out. And yeah, you need to fiddle it in around to make it work. Basically, our main point of characters, Ziggy is always working on the car and I'm just here to annoy him.
Ой, блядь.
Do you have any words, Ziggy?
No, I'm still...
So what's the plan? We want to start this car, yeah? To start this car we need to...
Just in case, remove airbags.
We raised up the Shrek BMW Swamp Rider. And what have we got underneath?
A little bit of oil and a lot of mud.
Cannot even walk through.
Okay, let's remove exhaust.
Yeah, and check what does it sound.
Why do you think exhaust is still sellable?
It looks pretty clean. Narnia. So our plan is to remove the exhaust to check is it even worth to be selling it. Also, we want to make a burnout. Shrek left a surprise in the exhaust. That one is good. As you can see, the gearbox is covered in oil. It will be interesting to check if the engine still has any oil left in it. Because if it doesn't have oil, then I think we have a little bit problems. Bolts are rusted, it's impossible to unscrew them, so we made the decision to cut everything that holds the exhaust. We tried to kill you. Not the first time, yeah?
Should I cut bolts or should I just cut the plate?
I think just cut the plate is more simple, no?
Maybe. Wait. Where's fuel tank? Here. Hit.
Nice. Good to know. Is it going somewhere?
No.
The one side is done. Smoking hot. Smokey. A true master at his work.
Okay. What's next? Need to cut bolt? Here.
This one need to cut. Yeah. Classical. Do you hear the hissing?
Uh-huh. Ah, it's oil. Probably inside exhaust some oil or water.
Yeah. We need to hammer the bolts because they are totally wasted. They are gone, they are not even here, they are not even... The bolts are stuck, we need to remove them manually, we cannot remove the exhaust mounts. So we'll need to use the force to remove them. Everything comes with the force. We can't remove the exhaust normally, so we're cutting exhaust rubber mounts. Exhaust is out, looks in pretty good condition. Ziggy cut all the rubber mounts. Catalysator in place. Not here. The car is down, will the engine run? Will the mud will be a problem for this engine? We will see in the next cut.
Safety first. Safety always first. 3, 2, 1. Deda kum now. Are you ready? This time it should work. 3. Praleidau.
So that's why I had an awful headache.
Rytis, do you get PTSD from these explosions? 3, 2. Once again I missed it because I looked at the fault. This one is pretty nice pillow. Good for sleeping once you crash.
Die.
Yes. Okay. Once you unscrew the accumulator, you can see here from airbags there's another one explosive ammo in here to disconnect your main plus cable. So this one will stop your engine when you crash. When airbags deploy, this one deploys as well, and your engine shuts off. So if you want to start the same car, you have to push it back in the place and then you can start it again. So we've got this plate inside of the ammunition back in place, so it can connect back to positive cable now. Plus positive vibes and negative vibes.
We're setting everything up. Let's see if the car will start. You got the fuse back on the place, yeah?
Yes, it's back in the place. Hopefully it's enough to start the crank the engine. Moving too much. No. Okay. Now it looks good. Okay.
Just finish it with the fuse. Let's see if our quick fix works. I think the starter is not moving out here. The engine is stuck in some kind of shitty position. We have enough electricity to open up the windows. Maybe the booster. Or maybe we should put on the booster. Try to start it.
I think the outer engine shut off is still not in place.
Can we weld it?
Weld it?
Yeah.
Well, we can try. One more try.
We put the fuse back together, let's see if it's working.
Gerai būna, ant tada.
Whoa! 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 What?
Don't mention it.
I love this Mercedes.
Gerai, kurva, ramings, man. If you have problem, you can't open passenger door, we have life hack for you. You just need this beauty.
What? Take a look.